what stood out to me is that it was very easy to use. So, we just recently did a contest to name it, so we can use something more PJ Fitz-ish, PJ Fitz-centric, rather than assembly, although we like the name assembly. And everybody, they likened it. They're like Fitzbook, Fitzagram, because it really is very similar in a good way to platforms people are used to using. So I think that was a real positive, because in home improvement, in our field, with a lot of people in construction, not everybody's super great with technology, although they've been forced to, because of the pandemic. Everyone's getting, everything we do now is paperless. But I wouldn't say that a lot of our folks are super into social media, but this has been easy for them to use. So that's a real plus.